Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. It's been a minute since I put the camera on and recorded a video. It's been mostly Dave doing a lot of the recording, but I've been out and about doing other things, mostly bags, and then he'll do the majority of the loading. But he is off this Saturday, so I got put in the box. It's actually been decently steady for the last like half an hour. I was contemplating whether or not to put the camera on, but I was like, yeah, you know what? Better to get something than nothing. Yeah, hopefully it's just a nice, easy Saturday. It's busy and it flies by. We haven't really been posting much because it hasn't been slow, but it's been like spotty to the point where you can't really get a full video in. And I am a little sick, which is kind of crappy, but tough through it at the end of the day. I think we stop Saturdays in November, which is going to be awesome to finally have 2 consecutive days off consistently. That would be sweet. One more customer we're waiting on there, and Larry should be back soon. He's got a pretty full day, which is nice. It's always nice to keep him busy. I think that customer in there is a bit of a chatty Cathy, so I'll be back when he's done chatting it up. All right, that was about 10 minutes of waiting, but he's out now. Excuse me. I'm sick of being sick, man. It's been like 2 weeks, and I never get sick. Alright, well, I am gonna go do some bags while I wait for Larry. And then when he shows back up, I will see you guys then. Alright, Larry's back. He's getting 5.5 yards of a 1/2-inch TB. So we'll get that loaded up. And then I need to grab some of the red mulch and put it in the bagger because I got to do some of that. Someone came for 13. And I don't really keep a crazy stock this year of that stuff just because it's a slow mover this time of year. And we close in about a month and a half, 2 months. So last thing I want is that time to come and it's still sitting there. So I try to keep at least 13 because that's a pretty common amount that people get. You have the buy 12 get one free, so that just entices everyone to buy the 12.
Algonquin 1 to 4. I'm sorry.
What? That guy's in like a older Canyon. I say older, but like 2016 gen. With a 5-foot box, it looks like. And this guy wants half River Rock. Well. I'm always confident that I can do it, and I've done it hundreds of times, no problem. But it never gets easier. That was half 1 to 4 on this canyon.
10-4. Half Algonquin 1 to 4.
A little bit more. The problem with loading, excuse me, the problem with loading 1 to 4 in truck beds is that the first, let's say 20 rocks that fall out of the bucket, when they touch the bed, they bounce. So if you look in the video, you can see a rock hit the bed, bounced out, and fell in between the crevice between the window and the bed. Actually, I need some of that. But it's like there's literally nothing I can do about it. It is completely out of my hand. I just need to make sure I don't dump any near the window, on the truck, or have any fall out. But that's the problem with River Rock. You can do everything perfectly, and you know, something can still go wrong, and it's not even your fault. But it's not your fault, but it is your fault if you kind of get it. But I only grabbed like a quarter of this because I only need like 7 bags. You got about 8 there, so as long as I have more than a little more than 13, I'm good with that. That was 650/50, Davey.
6 yards of 50/50.
All right. That guy's trying to squeeze in there. For the next trailer?
250/50, please. 250/50.
All right. The bucket didn't want to hook on for some reason. Probably just like a weird angle or something, but very long trailer. Selling a lot of these soils lately, which is good. We actually have gotten a couple calls from a couple different companies saying they want anywhere from like 3 to 5 triaxle loads of topsoil and 50/50, so that would be nice if we can get those out of here. I mean get them done, but they'd probably come out of the other yard, but that'd be nice to film as well. It's always cool loading that stuff, especially with the machine that Dave Sr. just brought over. It's just a whole different feel than these machines here. Let's just turn this over. It's a little wet, so. It's nice to get the sun on it while it's out. because we got so much rain the other day. Sure how many deliveries are left, but if anything meaningful or exciting happens, I will see you then. If not, this is peace. So catch you on the next one if there's nothing.